resolutions of 2560 by 1440 pixels. The screen goes with an aspect ratio of 18:9, and offers Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protector. Under the hood, Oppo R13 sports the latest powerful processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 835, and the Andreno 540 graphics chipset. Oppo R13 storage goes 4GB or 128GB, which is expandable to 256GB. Oppo R13 battery packs 4000 mAh, and the device is powered by exclusive VOOC fast charging technology. Oppo R13 seems to run the future coming operating system called Android Oreo 8.0. On the other hand, Oppo R13 cameras are dual 12MP on the back. Users expect the fingerprint reader to be housed side by side with the primary cameras. In this version, Oppo R13 provides OIS, PDAF, and dual-tone LED flash for its main cameras. For image lovers, Oppo R13 selfie shooter comes at 20MP and 4K video recording ability. Oppo R series is now one of the brand's most popular product line. R13 price is at least $770, and Oppo R13 is not available until June 2018. How do you feel about this iPhone X Select device from Oppo? Let us know in the comments below.